Pinirmahan ko yung resolution, but that was already immaterial because they already have 14 that they have already declared victory. But at least on my part, masaya rin ako kahit because Senator Chis is a very magnanimous victor. Kahit alam niya hindi na kailangan yung boto ko, still, kinubinsi pa rin niya ako na sumama sa majority.
Pero sir, bakit kayo umiyak kahapon?
Bakit kayo emotional?
Well, kasi yung nakapirma ako before mag-start ang session. Di ba? Pumasok ako doon. Tapos ngayon, nung sinaluduhan ako ni Migs, talaga hindi ko napigilan, napaiyak ako dahil for me being a good soldier, ang gusto kong sabihin kay Migs doon is, sorry boss, I failed to win the war for you. Because I am one of his trusted lieutenants. Ang kanyang mission sa akin is talagang i-secure yung aking partido, yung PDP na patuloy na magsuporta sa kanya. But still, as I have said, meron kaming usapan, kaming tatlo, Senator Bungo, Senator Tolentino, na majority rules. Lalabas 3 against 1, obligado sasama yung 1 doon sa decision.
Hindi niyo pa
So,
nasabihan.
at hindi ko, yung bang, as I've said, feeling ko, being a good soldier, I would like to convey the message to him that, my commander, I'm so sorry. We lost the war. I failed to win the war for you.
Sir, kayo ba naiyak kayo?
Ha?
Naiyak kayo kay SP?
Yes, kaya ako napaiyak dahil nga hindi naman sasama ng loob, parang kuwan lang. Nahiya ako sa kanya dahil hindi ko napanalo yung gira para sa kanya.